Hey everyone, this is First Warn Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich. It's 11:43 on a Monday night, getting ready for severe weather heading our way during the overnight. If you missed the 11 o'clock news and maybe you're up late tonight, I want to give you an update on the weather we're expecting to head our way because it's going to be a very turbulent 48 hours. I mean, it's hard for me to tell you this is when it's going to hit, this is when it's over. It's 48 hours. You need to be ready, and everywhere. This isn't just like one spot or two spots. Everybody's going to have an impact, and all threats are on the table. So this is one of those rare times where I could say every single person who lives in the Carolinas has a threat for severe weather over the next 2 days and the threat for flooding. And it's just not going to hit a certain time of day. The potential exists just about at any point, especially the later we get into tomorrow and into the day on Wednesday. Tonight we've got this warm front, which is stretching across the area right in here. And that warm front is serving to kick off some scattered showers and thunderstorms even tonight. You can see dew points in the 40s. We've actually dried off quite a bit here in Charlotte, but I think what's going to happen tonight, you're going to see a surge of the moisture in the warm front back to the north. We've got a tornado warning currently in western North Carolina until 11:45, Haywood and Jackson County. And you can see the storms that have developed in the upstate South Carolina and southwestern part of North Carolina. What's been going on is we've got the low-level jet, which is low-level winds cranking up like this. So that's eventually going to move into our region and push that warm air back to the north. But you can see the mess to our west. I mean, this is just a disaster unfolding tonight around the Birmingham area. Just the whole city's under tornado warnings. Not just one, but if you look carefully here, there's one tornado there, there's one right there, and there's another one down here. So just massive tornadoes moving through Alabama, and eventually all of this is going to be heading our way tomorrow. Here's how I think things will unfold tonight. We'll get one wave of rain in the middle of the night. This is the stuff building up through Asheville. And again, these could be strong storms, possibly tornadic. We'll have to keep an eye on it, and some heavy rain. Then here comes a squall line around sunrise. This could produce gusty winds and maybe even an embedded tornado. Things will die down briefly, but then crank back up. And again, remember, this is just a model. It's probably not doing a really good job on picking up on all the storms that'll develop. There may be a lull late tomorrow night, and then the big rains start to move in early Wednesday, and this is when the deluge, the flooding threat moves in Wednesday morning through Wednesday afternoon, and not until Wednesday night does everything clear out of here. So each one of those waves you saw could produce severe weather. Tonight, the severe weather threats to the west. Tomorrow, that's right on top of us. A high risk of severe weather for tomorrow and early Wednesday. Potential exists that we are going to see some damaging winds overnight, possible hail and tornadoes. Again, not low, but low by comparison to what we're going to see tomorrow. Now, the difference between watch and warning, remember, this is an outlook advisory. If a watch is issued, conditions are favorable for severe weather to develop, you should prepare for action. Warning, take action. That means something's happening. It works like a pyramid. We start low and ramp up to warning. Warning is the height of the warning process. And some safety tips. Here's a couple things to keep in mind. Get to the lowest level of your home or business, most interior room. Put as many walls between you and the outside, and stay away from the windows. Got helmets? Grab them. Kids especially, make sure they have helmets. Where do you want to go? These green areas, the basement or cellar if you have it. If you don't, not a lot of people do. This interior room, put as many walls, 2, 3, 4, 5 walls between you and the outside. Stay away from these exterior rooms with windows or anywhere upstairs. Hallways, pantries, closets, bathrooms, all are great. Futurecast rainfall, this is our other threat. Remember, it's going to rain for the next 48 hours, and some of these storms could train over the same areas repeatedly. So you're talking, these are probably, optimistic, conservative numbers. We could see higher numbers than that if the rain really sits over. So strong storms today, Tuesday, Wednesday. Things calm down Thursday, and look at that weekend. We finally get some nice weather. Temperatures around 70, morning lows in the 40s. Please, please, please tell all your friends and family. Follow me on Twitter, wxbrad. Follow me on Facebook as well, but remember, Facebook limits your reach. To, the amount of posts that I get to you is really limited. Twitter's great. It's real time. Get it on your phone. Even if you never tweet in your life, get a Twitter account just to follow me for severe weather. I'm not just pumping myself up for this. I tweet all severe weather the minute it comes in. It really is the best way to stay up to date. Have a safe night. Please stay weather aware, and I'll continue to keep updates online, on air, and on mobile throughout the next 2 days.